say you want to sell a shampoo, right? Whom do you want to sell? That is also very important. You cannot go and sell shampoo to everyone, because that product also matters in terms of what is the price of that product, what is the size of that product. A lot of things matter, right? Now, whom do you want to sell is a very important question, and for that you need to identify the best population for you to target, so that leads to highest or maximum conversion. A better targeting model based on expected response lifetime value would lead to higher efficiency of the sales team.
Now this is my bucket. This is my cloud front distribution, which is being deployed, deployed on May 23, right? And now what we'll do, we will see that how the objects of bucket can be retrieved through CloudFront. So I'll just copy this distribution domain name. I'll copy that in another tab, and you can see my HTML page which I have created.
हर एक इंसान की इंफॉर्मेशन कैप्चर होती है। आपका एज ग्रुप क्या है, आपकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ क्या है, आप किस सिटी से आते हैं, आप किस इकोनॉमिक बैकग्राउंड से आ रहे हैं, आप ग्रेजुएट हैं नहीं हैं। अगर आपने कभी देखा हो, आप बैंक जाते हैं या क्रेडिट कार्ड अप्लाई करते हैं या इंश्योरेंस प्रोडक्ट लेते हैं, आपसे ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मांगी जाती है। क्यों मांगी जाती है? इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज क्या करती हैं इस डेटा से? इंश्योरेंस कंपनीज ये देखती हैं कि जो लोग एट द एज ऑफ 25 अगर स्मोक करते हैं और से बाय डिफॉल्ट दिल्ली में रहते हैं, तो द चांसेस ऑफ देम बिकमिंग सिक इन द नेक्स्ट 5 years आर वेरी हाई। तो इसलिए शायद उस इंसान का प्रीमियम थोड़ा हाई होगा। वही एक इंसान जो एक गांव में रहता है और 25 साल का ही है और लड़का है और स्मोक नहीं करता, उसका प्रीमियम कम होगा, क्योंकि वो जानते हैं कि ये ताज़ी हवा खा रहा है, इसका शायद ईटिंग हैबिट्स वैसी होंगी, तो his premium should be lesser क्योंकि इसके बीमार होने के चांसेस कम हैं। This is how the data is being used in a everyday life.
We talked about analytics in detail. Let's also talk about AI ML DL, right? So I do want to highlight the part that this is the basic foundation I'm setting, that overall it's a computer science field, right? Where we study computers, computational systems. So it's a field of computer science, and within that, artificial intelligence is one of the verticals. So where the focus is on creating those kind of methods using which you can basically perform tasks that require human mind, human intelligence. Right? So whatever you can do, let's say through your mind, if you're able to do through machine as well, that will come under artificial intelligence. And one part which we also need to keep in mind, that humans are super powerful in terms of the thinking intellect. You would see artificial intelligence solutions today, they try to solve one problem at a time, but as human with same brain, with same machinery, you are able to think in multiple dimensions and solve multiple problems in a given point of time. If we go one level deep, so that's machine learning. Again, it's a subset of artificial intelligence. It's not synonymous. It's not parallel to artificial intelligence. It's one of the fields within artificial intelligence. And as artificial intelligence focuses on developing systems that require human intelligence, machine learning specifically focuses on developing those algorithms that can learn from themselves. Right? So if your machine is not only executing but also learning on its own, then it becomes a matter of machine learning application.
So what are these 21st century skill sets that you need to learn, and how do you learn them? In my view, to be a lifelong learner, these are the, what you see in the screen are the attributes of a lifelong learner. If you pick up these skills, is how you will become a well-rounded professional, right? Critical thinking, problem solving, creativity, innovation. Communication usually happens in a collaborative environment, right? Because from the learner to the receiver, right, there is already a connection, right? Unless and until you're able to connect, you're not really communicating, which means you have to be a good communicator, you have to write well, you have to present yourself well orally, and also you have to be a good listener.